So Shana and I tried to use a teleprompter to do a video on our upcoming workshop in Urbino, Italy. And some of it went pretty good. Some of it didn't. Thought it'd be funny to show you guys the video and start with the bloopers. Hopefully you'll get a laugh out of this. And that's just, wait, and that's.
Our workshops, Our workshop will focus, I'm going to start that. La, la, la. Our workshop will focus on the
We'll guide you step by step. Oh, I kind of like licked my lips all weird there.
on the Renaissance tradition.
You always say Renaissance.
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 You always say potato.
Whether you're experienced or just starting out, this is a chance to refine your skills in portraiture.
Sorry. Just do that over. Sorry. I couldn't stop thinking about you saying potato.
Rural potato.
Rural.
It's all about finding a balance. Art, food, it's all about fun. Sorry, I gotta sneeze. Oh, that hurt. That really hurt.
Okay.
Your face. It's so funny. Thrive in this creative atmosphere of this unforgettable retreat. Hi, I'm David Casson.
And I'm Shana Levinson.
We're really excited to announce an incredible opportunity for artists to join us in Urbino, Italy this summer for a unique workshop experience.
It's going to be a special journey in the footsteps of one of the most influential artists in history, Raphael.
Urbino is a town like no other. It's where Raphael, one of the greatest masters of the Renaissance, was born and raised.
We'll be taking artists on a journey through Raphael's hometown, exploring its rich art history and connecting with the spirit of this place that inspired so many of the greatest works of Western art.
We'll be engaging in hands-on learning, diving into practical techniques and honing your painting skills in a truly inspiring setting.
Our workshop will focus on the fundamentals. For 5 full days, we'll be painting Renaissance-inspired portraits.
We'll guide you step by step through the process of creating a portrait in the classic style, working with techniques that date back to the Renaissance. You'll learn the importance of light, shadow, and structure, and how to capture the essence of the portrait.
You'll dive into the timeless techniques of the masters while also applying modern approaches to portraiture. We'll offer instruction and feedback, and by the end, you'll have a finished portrait that reflects your personal take on the Renaissance tradition.
Whether you're experienced or just starting out, this is a chance to refine your skills in portraiture and gain a deeper understanding of the classical approach, all within this inspiring environment of Urbino, Italy.
And aside from studio time, we'll also explore this town of Urbino, visiting historical sites, museums, and galleries. You'll be surrounded by the very legacy that inspired some of the greatest artists of all time.
We'll also spend time discussing the philosophy behind classical portraiture and how it still influences artists today, blending the old and the new. And of course, there's more. This workshop isn't just about art. We've arranged for a private chef to prepare authentic Italian meals for us every day.
Plus, a wine sommelier will guide us through the finest Italian wines, allowing you to enjoy the flavors of the region while relaxing after a full day.
It's all about finding a balance. Art, food, and wine. You'll not only savor Italy's culinary delights, but also thrive in this creative atmosphere of this unforgettable retreat.
This is a truly luxurious and enriching journey, focusing on art, culture, and the pleasures of life in Italy. Plus, you'll be part of an amazing group of fellow artists.
After our productive days in the studio, we'll unwind and take in the tranquil beauty of the rural Italian countryside. It's a perfect way to relax, recharge, and reflect on your work from the studio that day.
Evenings under the stars and getting to know your fellow artists in a peaceful, inspiring environment.
Now, we know that sometimes partners want to join in as well, so we're happy to welcome them to Urbino.
While we're in the studio, we've arranged exciting excursions for your partners, whether they want to explore the local countryside, visit nearby villages, or simply enjoy the beauty of Italy's culture and landscapes.
So if you're looking to refine your skills, learn classical techniques, and create a Renaissance-inspired portrait while enjoying Italy's beauty, amazing food, wine, and curated moments for your partner, this is the perfect workshop for you.
We'd love for you to join us in Urbino for this immersive, unforgettable artistic retreat.
Spots are limited, so be sure to check out the link in the description for more information. Make sure you secure your spot today.
We can't wait to see you there.
See you in Urbino!